Hey everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a simplistic flower bloom, and I just got another spinner. It's a little bit bigger than my other glass spinner, and I got it at a yard sale. So I just want to show you what I do to cover it and protect it. I have just a shower cap I got on Amazon. Actually, no, I didn't get this on Amazon. I got this at the grocery store. But you can buy them on Amazon. You just have to make sure that you get the right size to fit your thing. So it just fits perfectly over top. So I just want to make sure that this spins properly before I start. No interference. That's pretty good. All right, I'm using my wooden, it's not really a cradle board. I'm not sure what they're called, but it's made out of wood. It's got very deep sides. So I'm going to start with that. Okay. Using a black base. It's Sherwin-Williams color to go. I have a little bit left here. I actually added, it seemed very thick for this technique, so I added some Floetrol, American Floetrol, and water. I don't want too much because you don't need to spin this technique out too much unless you didn't get enough paint on. So then if you stretch it out too much, then it won't look like a flower. So I'm just going to spread out my paint a bit. All right, I'm going to add some to the sides. So I'm going to start with Arteza Rose Madder. All my colors of my paints are mixed with just American Floetrol. They're fairly thin. So all my colors are mixed with American Floetrol. And my cell activators, I'm using black and white, and they're both mixed with American Floetrol and Liquitex Acrylic Ink. That's it. There's no varnish in here, no Australian Floetrol. That's it. Okay, so when you're doing this technique, you can't start too far down on the board, because then when you stretch it out a little bit, you will lose the area where there's a stem. So you got to start adding the paint probably around maybe halfway would be a good start, and try not to add too much paint. So whoops. All right, I already added too much there. Just going to bring it back in a bit. All right, now I'm going to add this little piggy asparagus. Then I'm adding Amsterdam Reflex Rose. Then I'm adding this little piggy frost. Then I'm going to add this little piggy rose quartz. It's an interference pigment. Just put a little bit here. I think I've added too much on here already, but we'll see how it goes. Next is Pabio Iridescent Green Blue. And then I'm going to add a little bit of yellow. It's Artist Loft Metallic Lemon Yellow. Just maybe a couple of drops. Okay, it already seems to be spreading out more than I wanted it to. I've got white and black cell activator. And I'm mixing it very well before I add it. It works a lot better if you mix it right before you use it very well. Oops. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, you know what? I was going to add a little bit more of the asparagus down here. So I'm going to add it along here like this. Oops, looks like I did too much of that. Okay, I'm just going to blow to the side. Okay, I'm not going to blow any more there. Kind of like it is. That looks pretty nice. I'm just going to show you a close-up quickly. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to show you from above. Let's get rid of my paint so I don't spill it when I spin. Okay. Okay, now what is done, I think it's coming down too low. So I am going, before I do this, I'm going to tilt it this way. So Sorry about the glare. It's my lights. Okay, so looks like I have too much down here, so I'm going to just cover this a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to get my stick and I'm going to bring this down. Lots of colors in here. Okay, so I'm just bringing it up a little bit like this. Not much. Yeah. I went over there. How am I going to get rid of that? I have a line here. So I'm going to try and play with it a little bit, just to see if I can get rid of it. Kind of blend it in with the red, so it doesn't look like just a line that I made a mistake. All right, it's working. I can't help my hand shaking like this. All right, so I got rid of that. I got a little dot here. Whoops. Okay. I don't know if I should even spin it, but I think I'm going to just lightly spin. I think I'm going to just blow over here a little bit. I'm going to move the camera. Okay, so I just blew this part up a bit, this part over here and here. You know what? I am not liking this green color. It's too green. So, how am I going to fix this? Oh, I'm just playing around with this a little bit. Some reason I don't like the asparagus down here. So I'm going to add some more of the PBO just to brighten it up a bit. Okay, I just touched up a few areas. I blew this out a little bit on this side here, up here, and up there. So I'll bring you down for a close-up.